Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start here, measure the room temperature and observe her signs. This tells you how urgent more heat is. If she's shivering or confused, act now. Bring a blanket, warm non-alcoholic drink, and a hot water bottle. These raise core temperature quickly. Once done, position her near a safe heat source and remove wet clothing. That prevents further heat loss. Make sure to call for help if symptoms are severe, because faster escalation can prevent hypothermia. Now focus on raising and maintaining warmth without causing danger. Place a certified space heater on a flat surface with 1 m clearance and set a moderate thermostat. This prevents burns and fires. Once the room is warmer, add insulating layers and close curtains to trap heat. If you have foam or towels, block drafts at windows and doors. That reduces heat loss. Make sure to monitor her comfort and breathing, because overheating or carbon monoxide risks require immediate correction. Finish by stabilizing and watching for changes. Check her pulse, breathing, and alertness every 15-30 minutes and keep recording any shifts. That shows whether warming is effective. If she stops responding, becomes febrile, or worsens, call 911. Professional care may be needed. Troubleshoot common failures. If the heater fails, transfer to a car with heat or a community warming center and use warmed bottles safely. One key tip: if she feels dizzy after warming, cool slightly and reassess to avoid overheating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.